Everyone says discipline builds success. Wake up early, grind harder, stay focused. But here's the truth. Discipline doesn't build wealth. Systems do. The wealthy aren't more disciplined. They're more structured. Today, I'll show you why discipline is overrated and how systems create results automatically. Discipline sounds noble. It feels powerful, but it's fragile. Discipline depends on energy. Energy depends on emotion, and emotion changes every day. That's why most people start strong and fade fast. They rely on discipline instead of design. The wealthy do not depend on willpower. They depend on systems that remove choice. Discipline fails because it fights human nature. Humans avoid pain. Humans seek comfort. Humans forget. Every time you rely on discipline, you are fighting yourself. That's why motivation fades. That's why habits break. That's why progress stalls. The wealthy do not fight their nature. They engineer around it. The system that replaces discipline has three parts: automation, remove effort; structure, remove confusion; measurement, remove emotion. When these three work together, discipline becomes irrelevant. The system does the work. You just follow the flow. 1. Automation. They automate decisions. Bills, investments, savings, publishing schedules, all automated. No willpower required. 2. Structure. They design routines that run like machines. Same time, same process, same outcome. Structure replaces motivation. 3. Measurement. They track results, not feelings. Numbers tell the truth. Emotion lies. This is how the wealthy stay consistent without discipline. The discipline trap looks like progress but hides failure. You wake up early, you work hard, you push through. But without a system, every day starts from zero. You are rebuilding momentum instead of compounding it. The wealthy never start from zero. Their systems carry momentum forward automatically. Step 1. Identify repeated actions. Anything you do more than twice should be systemized. Step 2. Automate or schedule. It use tools, templates, or time blocks. Remove decision fatigue. Step 3. Track results. Weekly measure. Progress with numbers, not feelings. Step 4. Refine monthly. Adjust the system, not your motivation. Step 5. Let the system run. Once it works, stop tinkering. Let it compound. Stop trying to be disciplined. Start trying to be designed. Stop forcing effort. Start engineering flow. Stop chasing motivation. Start building automation. The moment you replace discipline with systems, your results become predictable, your stress disappears, and your wealth grows automatically. Discipline fades, systems last. The wealthy do not rely on willpower. They rely on structure. If you're ready to stop forcing progress and start designing it, subscribe to the Money Blueprint. This is how wealth is created, not through discipline, but through design.